Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to use a package that remains consistent across different groups, each with its specific configuration. A real-life use case for this could be Nginx configuration, a machine learning model parameters, or digital signage with varying configurations. Let's get started. I have the Raspberry Pi Zero group that contains 4 devices, which are also divided into Group 1 and Group 2 with 2 devices each. Now let's go to the group's configuration, select our Raspberry Pi group, go to Configure, go to the Software Management, and we'll see that they all have the same package deployed. Now let's update the parameters for the Group 1 and Group 2. Currently, all devices are using the same default parameter value. You can see the QB logo on the device on the right. First, open the parameter configuration for Group 1, change the value to party, save your changes, enter a commit message, and commit. Next, for the Group 2, set the value to angry, enter the commit message, and commit. By default, our agent checks for the new configuration every 5 minutes. However, we can expedite this process by running the agent manually. Navigate the device from the Group 1 and click the Run Agent button. As you can see, the device has successfully received the new configuration and changed the image to party. Running the agent manually is very useful during the development phase when you need immediate feedback without waiting for the default interval. Additionally, you can execute the agent manually by running a command directly on the device. You can get more information by looking into the QB documentation on our website. While we wait for the other devices, let's take a look at the QB audit log. The audit log shows all changes made by the system, including agent execution, remote access to the devices, and so on. This is very useful for tracking configuration changes and access. For example, if I click on party change, I can see who did the change and what was changed. Same for the set angry change and forced agent run. Now we see that all devices have received the configuration. You can apply different settings for different groups, devices, or tasks in the same way. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us via email at contact@qb.io. Please like and subscribe if you want to learn more about configuration management and the QB approach. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.